Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn any object into Lego in Blender, and it only takes 30 seconds. First, I add the legendary monkey to the scene. Then, I duplicate it so you can see the difference side by side. Next, I apply any material I want to the model. Now that the setup is ready, let's get to the main part. I add geometry nodes to the monkey and choose Make It Lego. And just like that, our object is already turned into Lego. To adjust the size of the Lego bricks, I change the Lego size value. The larger the number, the bigger the bricks. The smaller the number, the more detailed the model becomes. But be careful. If you make the value too small, Blender might crash. Also, the smaller the size, the longer your render times and the slower your viewport performance will be. If you want, you can set the Lego size viewport to a higher value and Lego size render to a lower value. That way you can work smoothly in your scene while still getting a detailed result when rendering. Then, I pick the material I want to apply to the model. As you can see, there's an issue with the material. Each Lego brick is affected separately. To fix this, we need to make a quick tweak in the shader editor. Delete the mapping and texture coordinate nodes. Add an attribute node, change the type from geometry to instancer, and type Lego with a capital L in the name field. It's important to capitalize the L in Lego, otherwise it won't work correctly. Next, connect the vector output to the vector input, and ta-da! Problem solved. It's that simple. You can apply this effect to any model and it will be applied automatically to all of them. You can download the project file from the Gumroad link in the description. Let me know in the comments which asset you'd like me to share in the next video. I'll keep sharing free assets for you, so don't forget to check out my channel for more. If this asset helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.